Naghahanap ka ba ng affordable staycation in Cubao this weekend?
I highly recommend Red Hotel Cubao. Book in Klook and use my promo code to get discount. Sobrang ganda ng location. Malapit sa lahat, may free parking, and okay lang din to commute kasi just a few steps lang siya pagbaba ng MRT Cubao Station. The room is very spacious, perfect sa barkada or small family, with tables and chairs and queen-size bed. May sobrang laking bathroom, bathrobe, hair dryer, complete toiletries, suklay, free bottled water, coffee, electric kettle, mini fridge, smart TV, sleepers, at safety vault. They also have this high-tech na do not disturb and makeup room signs. Meron din silang indoor pool and rooftop bar with stunning city night views na nakaka-relax. Our stay also includes breakfast buffet with a lot of food options. Walang plans pa for Valentine's? Try their Valentine's package for only 2,999 pesos. Romantic dinner with live acoustic music at raffle surprises. Kung hindi mo trip yung dinner, meron din silang romance and relaxation stay for the same price. For this month of Feb, they offer affordable stay with breakfast for only 1,999 pesos. Overall, sobrang na-enjoy namin ang stay. They live up to their tagline of relax, enjoy, dream. Book na for this weekend.